welcome back to another episode here as If It's Worth It. We're gonna check out this MK5 GTI and see if it was actually worth it.
So, $1 million question. Was it worth it? Is it worth it for you to buy a old European car? In this case is a Volkswagen. I would refrain from saying European. This is a Volkswagen. It's a lot cheaper to bring a Volkswagen back than some other of these cars. Is it worth it? In my opinion, dollar for dollar. If you're doing it yourself, absolutely. If you're trying to make a little bit of profit on it, I wouldn't pay somebody to do the repairs that we did. So I'm going to go down the list of all the repairs that this car did need. Last time we saw you guys, it had a bunch of oil leaks. Oh, we have an oil leak here. We have another oil leak over here. It had a bunch of electrical problems. Let's say, oh, we got an orange tree. Oh, we got an orange. It was missing a window.
Don't mind my foot protruding through this window.
The radio didn't work. It had a lot of things wrong with it. We have done some beauty upgrades. So the grille is brand new. That was a eBay special. Thankfully, the headlights were already brand new, so that saved us like $600. The transmission was leaking from the front seal when we also found that the solenoids inside the transmission were defective. So thanks to Justin, we were actually able to repair this transmission and not replace it, which is great. So as a fresh oil service for the transmission, for the engine, the underboost faults that we had for the turbo that I thought it was a bad turbocharger, it was actually the diverter valve that was defective. Thankfully, only a couple $100 to fix that. The window was also only a couple $100. The interior, Taylor did great, actually ripping this thing all apart and getting all the interior out, pressure washing it, cleaning it, defunkifying it. So the inside looks fantastic. The paint, we're going to leave the paint alone because that's just out of our wheelhouse. We don't do that. So we're going to let somebody else take care of that. It will be going to a body shop with the new owner. Kind of spoiler alert, this car is already sold. So it is already going to a new owner. So congratulations to Dave that has just bought this vehicle. He bought it for $3,300, which is less than what we were hoping to sell it for, but it is what it is. And at the end of the day, is it worth it for an enjoyable project hobbyist? If you're at home and you want to tinker and make your money back, heck yeah, do it every single day. Just don't lose your ass on it, because we could have been a couple grand into a new transmission. We could have been a couple grand into a new turbo. We could have been a couple grand into whatever inside was defective. So be careful, but keep doing it. Don't lose your butt on it, because it's just a car at the end of the day.
Do you recommend pre-purchase inspections?
Oh my goodness, please. If you guys are thinking about buying any used European cars, please, here's our link. Please call us, text us, email us. We would love to bring your soon-to-be your car and make sure that it's not a pile of one of these. And we will make sure that you don't get into this same predicament that this owner got into. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have fun.
Everyone, don't mind my foot protruding through this window. And please join us on a journey of fixing up this MK5 GTI so we can get it back on the road and hopefully into a customer's hand that is very happy with their purchase. Don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and all the thingies that go in between of those. Hope to see you guys soon and catch you on the next video.